Are you looking for your next cozy crochet project? If you are tired of making the same old plain squares, you are in the right place. Today, I've rounded up 20 of the absolute cutest, most unique, and completely free crochet blanket patterns out there. From kawaii food themes to gorgeous woodland landscapes, there is something in here you are going to fall in love with. I have linked every single free pattern in the description box below so you can start stitching immediately. Grab your drinks and let's dive into the list. Number 1 is the Sheep Valley Blanket. This pattern is an absolute dream for a nursery, featuring the sweetest little fluffy sheep grazing in a pastel valley. It's almost too cute to use. Number 2 is the Bucolic Frolic Blanket. If you love the cottagecore aesthetic, this design brings absolute pasture perfection to your living room with its charming, rolling meadow vibes. Number 3 is the Under the Sea Blanket. Perfect for the little mermaid or ocean lover in your life, this pattern is packed with aquatic fun and deep sea colors. Number 4 is the Fresh Squeezed Blanket. Bring a pop of summer into your home all year round with this bright, zesty, citrus-inspired throw. Number 4 is the Fresh Squeezed Blanket. Bring a pop of summer into your home all year round with this bright, zesty, citrus-inspired throw. Number 6 is the Silly Goose Blanket. Geese motifs are going completely viral right now, and this playful, quirky blanket perfectly captures that fun trend. Number 7 is the Blooming Bouquet Blanket. Why buy real flowers when you can crochet a gorgeous, colorful floral explosion that lasts forever? Number 8 is the Biggest Hug Blanket. The name says it all. This is a super chunky, highly textured pattern designed to be the ultimate cozy snuggle on a cold day. Number 9 is the Sheep Motif Blanket. This is a more classic take on the sheep trend, featuring adorable repeating geometric sheep blocks that are so satisfying to join. Number 10 is a Popcorn Bucket Blanket. Get ready for your next movie night. This incredibly unique novelty blanket is shaped just like a classic striped popcorn box. At number 11 is the Whimsical Woodland Wonders. This is a corner-to-corner, C2C masterpiece that takes you on a literal journey through a magical forest landscape. Number 12 is the Pizza Blanket. Because who doesn't want to wrap themselves up in a giant cheesy slice of pepperoni pizza? It is hilarious and so fun to make. Number 13 is the Red Fruit Blanket. This brings such a sweet, juicy aesthetic to your space, perfect for brightening up a porch or a picnic. Number 14 is the Crochet Farm Blanket. This one is packed with classic barnyard charm. It is a fantastic baby shower gift that toddlers will absolutely adore. Number 15 is the Sushi Blanket, calling all foodies. This blanket is made of kawaii little sushi roll motifs. It is incredibly unique and a guaranteed conversation starter. Number 16 is the Strawberries and Cream Blanket. This dessert-inspired design uses the sweetest pinks and reds for a soft, romantic vibe. At number 17, we have the classic Strawberry Blanket. You can never go wrong with pure berry bliss. It is the ultimate spring and summer make. Number 18 is the Squeeze the Day Throw. This pattern is packed with positive vibes and zesty lemon motifs to instantly lift your mood. Number 19 is Over the Rainbow. If your couch needs a serious pop of color, this cheerful, bright rainbow design will do the trick instantly. And finally, number 20 is the Clara Throw. If you want something elegant, timeless, and packed with gorgeous, squishy texture, this is the pattern for you. And there you have it, 20 incredibly cute and totally free blanket patterns. I want to know which one was your favorite, so leave a comment down below telling me which pattern you are going to cast on first. If you want more choices, check out my previous video, Ultimate 93 Blanket Free Patterns. You will definitely find one to be your next project. If you're interested in crochet-free resources, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more free pattern roundups and tutorials. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video.